I bought these cheap AI glasses from Amazon Japan for about 9,900 yen, which is roughly $65 to $70 with the current yen rate conversion to dollar. So, welcome back to the channel. I want to unbox these and share with you how they look, feel, and possibly later on get into a full review of the glasses. So when I take them out the box, the first thing I notice is that they're lightweight. And not lightweight in a cheap kind of way. They have a light feel to them. Lightweight in no other way to explain it other than in a good way. They feel like they would be unnoticeable on your face if you had them on for quite a long time. Also in the box is the little bag that comes with some glasses. It's not a high quality bag. It's very nylon feeling. And back to the glasses. The glasses have like a little tint to the lens. They're a clear lens that are also transition lens. So when you walk outside, they should transition to a sunshade. And I'm not sure what color, if it's green or whatever it may be. Also, you have this standard glasses cleaning little rag. I don't know if it's microfiber, whatever they call those nowadays. You have that in there. And then if I can get this out the box, this is a warranty card, which I never use. I'm not sure about you guys. Usually when things like these break, you just return them to the manufacturer if it's within like the first day or so. But after some time, I've never used a warranty. You have this instruction manual for like quick and easy startup, which has a QR code to download the app. The app is called EarDance, and then you'll have this magnetic charging cable. So all the non-Meta glasses that I've purchased so far either have like the two magnetic connectors that go on the inside of the glasses, or have one that goes on one side. But I've never had any that has a case like Meta, like the Ray-Ban or the Oakleys. But except for the Oakley or the Ray-Bans. But the cable, even though it's magnetic, it will not stay if you try to pick it up by the cable. They're just magnetic enough to keep them on and charge them, but you can't lift. Like I'm trying to demonstrate here, you can't lift those with the cable because the magnet's not that strong. But it's strong enough to keep them on there if you're just like setting them on the table and charging them. So that's pretty much what's in the box. I'll get to the app, the EarDance app, in a little bit. There's a lot to be desired there. Again, like I said, I might do a full review. It's up to you guys if you want me to review these. These are some very generic glasses, so I don't think they're very popular or in high demand. So I may have been the only person that bought these off of Amazon, because everybody else probably steered way clear of these glasses. But if you did buy some and you want, or you're thinking about purchasing these and you see them on the website and you want me to do a full review, I will. I'm already testing them out and playing with them a little bit here. I did notice the volume on them is quite low compared to the Ray-Bans and the Oakley glasses, and even some other glasses that I have. So, all right, so let me know, and I will do further review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.